So I got what I went to the store for. Steel wool is what I was needing, and now I just need some Coca-Cola get some Coca-Cola 2-liter soda, and supposedly you just let the firearm or metal, any metal, if you want to remove rust, you let it sit. First of all, you clean it out in water. You dump it in water, and then from there, then you put it on. You drain it in, or you soak it in Coca-Cola, let it sit, and then from there you just rub it with steel wool. And the point is, it's gonna help. It's gonna help remove the rust. But yeah, man, today was different. I honestly wanted to go biking, but I still bulk, just not as intense as I normally do. But sometimes breaking cycles is helpful, and I learned a little about perspective, and I learned that it just further solidifies in my mind that, one, I gotta continue growing. You know what I mean? Like, there is a perpetual cycle of just ignorance or not giving a fuck, or there's a perpetual cycle in just wanting to fuck up or wanting a type of attention that comes with not caring. There's a cycle of people that want to live a life of not caring, and there's a cycle of people that want to live in a relationship. There's a cycle of people that want to live. There's just different ways to live, and what I need to find out and make official is how I want to live. And that's just the ultimate most important thing, is how I want to live. That's the most important thing. How is it that I want to live on a day-to-day basis? What is it that makes me move forward? And I think the power of knowing the amount of control that I have is more important than anything. So just the power of knowing that I'm in control, or anybody knowing that they have more control than they think, is more important than anything. So you know what I mean? From what I was learning as I was listening to D, as I was listening to my sister, I'm bro, I could sit here and try to preach to her all fucking day, but that I know is not effective for a fact. One, for two reasons. One, bitches don't listen. Two, that's my sister. She ain't gonna fucking listen to me. Even if I got billions of bucks, trillions of bucks, she ain't gonna fucking care. She don't listen to me. And plus, she's been with dudes that got way more money than me. So money ain't really it's not that. Like she said, the main thing is just wanting somebody's gonna accept her. Well, I always accept her because she's my sister. Unfortunately, or fortunately, I guess it's the same shit. I always accept her. So, and I don't need nothing from her. So perhaps that's one of the most valuable things about family, but I just I gotta be thoughtful too. I'm not gonna sit here and invest all my money or time or energy into her, because she's still another human. At the end of the day, if you let any other human take advantage of you like that, then you lose. So I'll keep my distance. I haven't talked to her in probably months, and we live so close to each other. But that's just how life is. I'm not gonna sit here and focus all my energy and turn it to her because she's in a situation. It's nah. The main thing I realize is that, bro, if you want to get out of a situation, you're gonna get out. If you want to stay in a situation, you're gonna stay in the situation, and that's just how it is. So I'm learning from everything, and I'm just gonna choose to be good, but fuck up as well. I'm not gonna front. Being in a job and being in a traditional, job, and working for people, it does lock you in, and it limits your thoughts, and it limits your belief and your creativity. But I'm not gonna let that be the reason why I just let go and say fuck it. If I can't if I can't live my life free, I complain about that often, but just because I don't have that lifestyle doesn't mean I'm just gonna quit. And You know, there was a purpose behind everything I did before. There was a purpose, but I ain't accomplished it. I folded and I started to go back into the job place, the marketplace. But I'm gonna just keep growing and figure it the fuck out. I'm not gonna stop until the day I die. I'm not gonna stop. You know, I just can't. It's in my, like I said to her, it's in my nature. I'm not gonna stop. But yeah, just keep growing, keep developing, and improving and learning this shit, bro.